Alright, I think this is going to be that narrow spot where there's not much ledge. So I'm going to go off-road because that gives me a camera. Four high, first gear. And I cannot see. I mean, I cannot fucking see. What you see is what I see. So I just need to take a peek. Gears. Everything gear. Alright, I'd be laughing and bitching at myself if I wasn't driving, but it's a new vehicle. I'm not 100% comfortable with it, so just bear with me. But yeah, I got plenty of room. It's just making that initial hump right there blind. Okay, we're good. Cameras help. I do like them. Oh, I think you might be able to see what I can't see. Oh, this is that very, very narrow spot. Man, when I was younger, I was fearless. But then at the same time, most of those people that knew me back then never figured I would live this long. Shouldn't be saying that as I'm heading down this thing. Okay, that little washed out spot there doesn't look as bad as it did coming in from the other angle. I still got plenty of room. I guess it's just a sign of life, you know? As you get older, you get richer. It's called compound interest. If you don't know about it, Google it, ask for a compound interest chart, punch in your numbers. You can be poor today, but you'll be rich tomorrow. What was I saying? Oh yeah, getting older. Man, you lose your hair off the top of your head. Okay, I'm done with this. I can go back into the normal now. There we go. Switching gears. Doing it for me. That feels much better. Two-wheel drive. You can't put muscle on. You can't even keep muscle anymore. You dribble coming into the toilet, and you dribble leaving the toilet. It sucks. It's gonna happen to you. Your eyes get bad. Your hearing gets bad. It's not the losing your no fear, and it's not because what was I gonna say? Me losing my no fear because it's not in my heart. I still don't give a shit. living my life for anybody else.